Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here today. I'm really excited to share something personal and close to my heart, my hobby. We all have that one thing or maybe a few things we look forward to when life gets busy. A hobby is more than just something to do. It's an activity that lights us up, recharges our energy, and makes us feel truly alive. For some people, it's painting, gardening, playing music, hiking in nature, reading novels, or even cooking new recipes. Whatever it is, a good hobby has a special magic. It helps us step away from daily pressures and reconnect with joy. My hobby is simple, yet incredibly rewarding and fun. I love insert your actual hobby here. For example, photography, playing guitar, cooking, cycling around the city, collecting plants, writing short stories, dancing, gaming, sketching. It's not complicated or expensive, but it brings me so much happiness every single time I do it. Whenever I get some free time, after school, on weekends, or even just 30 minutes in the evening, I dive right in. There's something so satisfying about losing track of time while doing what I love. The moment I start, the noise of the day just fades away. Stress from assignments, worries about tomorrow, little frustrations, they all seem smaller. In their place comes this calm, positive energy that lifts my mood and leaves me feeling refreshed and happy. What I enjoy most is how my hobby lets me express myself. Whether I'm alone in my room, creating something quietly, or sharing the moment with friends or family, it feels personal and meaningful. Sometimes I do it solo, just me, my thoughts, and the activity, and it becomes a kind of peaceful meditation. Other times I do it with others, and it turns into laughter, stories, and connection. Both ways feel special. This hobby has taught me a lot without me even realizing it at first. It's made me more patient, more creative, and better at focusing. When things don't go perfectly, a photo comes out blurry, a chord sounds off, a dish doesn't taste quite right, I've learned not to give up. I just try again, adjust, and improve. That small lesson spills over into other parts of life too. Most importantly, my hobby makes my days brighter. It reminds me that life isn't only about responsibilities and schedules. There should always be space for things that make our hearts feel light. It gives me balance, helps me recharge, and honestly makes me a happier, more positive version of myself. So that's my hobby. Simple, fun, and very special to me. I believe everyone should have at least one activity like this in their life. It doesn't have to be fancy or impressive to anyone else. It just has to feel good to you. Thank you so much for listening today. I'd love to hear about your hobbies too. What lights you up when you have free time? Feel free to share. Thank you.